What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Grizz,
And me, Joe.
and this is Two Dudes Sweet Treats.
And tonight we are doing the flavor of the month Blizzard from Dairy Queen, Mint Oreo.
Yeah, mint Oreo.
And yes, these have been in the freezer for like 2 hours.
Mint Oreo. You heard us.
Good thing that's
It's frozen.
Good thing it's not soft serve anymore.
Oh my god.
Ooh. I've never had soft serve from the freezer before.
Uh-huh.
That's pretty impressive. It's pretty chilly.
Chill out. What can we say, folks? It's mint Oreo. It's like,
It's good.
I don't know why it tastes so amazing. Why those two flavors just pair up so delightfully. But they do. Like, whoever came up with the idea of mixing Oreos and mint together, it was a brilliant move. Maybe it was an accident. One of those happy accidents that happen in the world.
Solid 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. It's mint Oreo. What did you expect?
You're gonna brain freeze
Mm-hmm.
in that bad boy. Ooh,
Oh,
that is chilly.
what the fuck? That was close. So yeah, not a long one, but a good one. This has been Chris.
This has been Joe.
And this has been Two Dudes Sweet Treats. Catch you next time, folks. Peace.